Hello everybody, it's good day. Today we are going to see about a reliable, cheap and the best tripod for mobile phones. It will be very helpful for the beginners to do any videos, personal videos for YouTube or any stuff like that. Let's begin. See the box, the product name is YUNTEng YT-228 and the stand will look like this. You can attach mobile phones, action camera or the digital camera. In the box there is nothing much. You can see the dimension of the stand. It can withstand the stand weight is around 200 gram. This stand consists of 3 major parts. Let's see the assembling. Hello, this is the main stand which have this movable knob, and sideways it has the key. This key is slidable towards left, so you have to move and hold the key to adjust the knob. This is a small plate provided which is very flat. You can screw it on the top where your camera will go and sit on this plate. And the last part is the mobile holder, which has the 2 spring, adjustable spring for smooth operation and strong enough to hold your phone. As like before, we need to screw it on the top. That's it guys, your new stand is now ready for the action. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more. Thank you.